The real cost of electric vehicle battery failure. The silent nightmare. We all love the promises of the EV revolution. Instant torque, whisper quiet rides, and saying goodbye to gas stations forever. But there's a quiet anxiety hiding in the back of every EV owner's mind. What happens if the battery dies? In 2026, we're moving past the marketing hype and pulling back the curtain on the ultimate automotive nightmare. Today, we look at the real financial and practical cost of EV battery failure and whether the horror stories are actually true.
The shocking truth. The cost breakdown. Let's talk numbers first. Dealerships love to tell you that electric vehicles have virtually zero maintenance. And for the first few years, that's mostly true. But if you fall outside of that standard 8-year or 100,000-mile warranty, a battery replacement is a massive financial blow. Depending on the brand, replacing a modern electric vehicle battery pack can cost anywhere from $5,000 to upwards of $20,000.
Now, the good news? Battery manufacturing costs have dropped significantly over the last decade, and the tech is smarter than ever. A recent 2026 data study shows that modern electric vehicle batteries degrade at a rate of just about 1.5% to 2% per year. That means a battery rarely just dies overnight. It's a very slow fade. But if you buy a used electric vehicle or neglect battery health, you could be left holding a very expensive receipt.
The culprits. What is secretly killing your battery to fail prematurely? It usually comes down to 3 silent killers. Abusing DC fast charging. Constantly hitting ultra-fast charging stations puts massive thermal stress on the lithium-ion cells. If you're doing this daily instead of overnight home charging, you are actively degrading your battery. Extreme thermal stress. Leaving your car baking in extreme summer heat or freezing in sub-zero winters for extended periods destabilizes the chemistry inside the pack. The 100% myth. Keeping your battery sitting at 100% capacity all the time or constantly draining it down to absolute 0%.
The professional golden rule in 2026? Keep your daily state of charge between 20% and 80%. This simple habit alone can literally double the lifespan of your vehicle's powertrain. The verdict and the future. Should you be terrified of buying an electric vehicle? Absolutely not. Battery failure is a rare engineering anomaly, not an everyday reality. But as an informed driver, you need to understand that the fuel tank of your electric car is a living, breathing piece of chemical technology. If you monitor its health, charge it smartly, and understand the warranty, it will likely outlive the chassis of the car itself. Have you ever experienced severe range anxiety? Or are you holding off on buying an electric vehicle because of the battery myth? Let me know in the comments below. Let's start a conversation. If you want more unfiltered, real-world automotive journalism, hit that subscribe button to join Ignition Hub. See you in the next one.